This is Russ Finney, and I am a professor at the University of Texas at Austin, classroom professor, but I'm also director of our MIS undergraduate programs. And we spend a lot of our time at UT thinking about project management, doing research around project management, and thinking about best practices. So I'm really happy to have been invited to participate in the spring Professional Development Day, which is going to be happening on Thursday, April 27th. I'll be one of the instructors for a 3-hour session. My topic is going to be advanced use case based project management. We're going to look at the PMI talent triangle. We're going to look at it from all three sides. And the presentation will be divided up into three pieces. So first, it'll be focused on building the foundation, doing all the preparation work for a major project, including working through the tools that you're going to use. What is the latest state of the tools? What are some of the latest methods for doing these things? The second piece of the presentation will be around defining the effort and kind of the most modern ways of doing that, and how the planning process and the agility actually influences the success of your projects. And then the third part will be thinking about the execution itself and just kind of what are the elements of success these days in executing against these projects, many of which are quite complex. And we're going to cover a lot of topics throughout those three pieces. So we'll talk about strategy. We'll touch on what's the latest thinking around a project management office, governance in projects. I'm showing you the list there, planning. I plan to talk about artificial intelligence and the latest tools and trends around that, and can we leverage that in our project management? Being proactive around things, especially risk management. And then what about those teams that freeze up because they can't make decisions? So we'll talk about indecision countermeasures. Anyway, looking forward to seeing everyone. Come join us Thursday, April 27th at the Spring Professional Development Day.